Let me look. So, if you wish to manifest a financial windfall, should you get lottery tickets or follow a hunch to go to a casino, or should you decline to help the universe by doing those things?
So it's so funny. I was teaching a prayer workshop on Sunday at church, and someone was like, I want to pray that I want to win the lottery. And I said, so why do you want to limit the universe? Because someone said, I'm going to win the California lottery. And I said,
Mhm.
just California? So the goal is to have financial abundance. And so this is about step five, about being open. So is the lottery the only source for your good? Are you trying to tell the universe the only way I can be financially abundant and secure and wealthy is if I win the lotto? Well, the universe is going, I have infinite ways of making you wealthy and giving you good, but you're trying to limit it. So I would say expand your horizon, expand your prayer life, expand the process by which you can receive, expand the channels through which good can flow to you. So is it a job? Is it an estate? Is it the lottery? Is it something, writing a book? Is it teaching a class? Is it doing all these other things that you are so good at? Following your dreams, your talents, your goals, and your desires will lead you to financial abundance. But waiting for one channel to open up where the odds are very, very high that you will actually win the lotto. There's nothing wrong with buying a lotto ticket. It's just one of the infinite channels of good that is possible to come to you.
Right. I remember learning that. Don't limit the universe to how it shows up.
It's like, okay, so I can become a millionaire, a multimillionaire from some other form. Real estate, you know, book writing. See,
Oh, I
the
hope you
other
become a
author on the
millionaire
other
from
planet
book
going, oh yeah,
writing.
that's the ticket. Yeah.